Hi guys, it's been quite some time I posted any videos, though I got to travel to many places recently and I also managed to shoot videos, but somehow I couldn't post it for you. So among my recent visits, I recently visited Dobropark in Kyiv. It's over 400 hectares of open land owned by the Dobrotsky family and is located approximately 35 kilometers from the Zhytomyrska metro station in Kyiv. Now, what's unique about this park is that though this park was open to public only since last year, it has over 3.7 million tulip flowers, several lavender lawns and boxed valleys. Not only this, you will also find many different varieties of flowers that are usually found during the spring season in Ukraine. They've planned to make this park the biggest park in Ukraine within the next 5 years. So how do we get there? If you're traveling on your own, you can take a direct shuttle from Zhytomyrska metro station, or if you're driving on your own, take the MO6 highway towards Lviv and approximately after 35 kilometers, take left and you'll find the park on the left. And yes, you have plenty of open parking places and it's all free. Guys, there's an entry fee to enter this park and it costs 150 hryvnia per person at the time of shooting this video. By the way, if you're using a Visa bank card to buy the tickets, you get 10% discount, and if you have a Privat bank card, you'll get 30% discount. So this scheme is applicable at the time of shooting this video. And the best season to visit this park is in May or June. Also, go there during the morning or evening hours because if it's sunny, you could escape the scorching heat. It covers a vast area, so be prepared to walk. It probably could take 4 to 5 hours and depends on what you do there. It's obvious you could take good photos and there is a food court with plenty of stalls and outlets. Okay, now let's take a tour of this place and enjoy watching.